In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and utilize the HostGator affiliate program to potentially earn commissions through your promotions. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HostGator affiliate program page. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to sign up for an account. The process is pretty straightforward. Just enter the necessary information and follow any prompts to set up your credentials. If you've already signed up and have an account, you can simply log in using your existing details. Once you're successfully in, you'll find yourself at the affiliate dashboard. This is your main hub, designed to help you track your progress and performance. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's worth spending a little time getting comfortable here, especially if you're aiming to effectively manage and track your affiliate marketing efforts. Next, you'll want to locate the section labeled either affiliate links or get links. This part is crucial, as it's where you'll find the tools needed to start promoting. HostGator provides you with a variety of banners and links designed to help you start your journey. These resources are here to support you in crafting a promotional strategy that works for your unique audience. Now let's focus on your customized referral link. This is a key part of the process. Each affiliate is given a unique link to ensure that any referred traffic is accurately tracked back to you. To find your referral link, simply copy it from the affiliate links section. Having this unique identifier means that when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Utilizing your referral link effectively is all about strategy and creativity. Think about where your audience engages the most. Is it on social media platforms, blogs, or perhaps through newsletters? By sharing this link in places with high visibility and engagement, you increase the chances of attracting potential customers to HostGator. Clear calls to action and engaging content accompanying your links can make a significant difference in your promotional results. Don't be discouraged if success doesn't come overnight. Like any endeavor, affiliate marketing may take some time, practice, and fine-tuning. Consistency and analysis are your allies here. Monitor your dashboard regularly to understand what's performing well and where you might need to adjust your tactics. In summary, signing up or logging into your HostGator affiliate account, accessing your dashboard, and grabbing your custom referral link are the key steps. Then it's all about putting in the effort to